Hi, I'm Paulo from Chupan Games, and today we will continue our tutorial on cutscenes. Today we will talk about the cutscene transform keyframe. The transform keyframe changes any asset location, rotation, and scale over time. Let's create a transform keyframe for our Grux character. Remember, for, for each character or thing in the game you want to animate, you must create a track for it. If you create another keyframe here, you will create the screen frame for the torch. So we will add track, and since Grux is selected, that character, its name is Grux because he came from the Paragon series, just for people who doesn't know that. I will create a track. This track I will call Grux. Okay. And then I will click here on add transform keyframe and add a transform for Grux at position at second 0. Then I will move him, say, here, and I will add another transform keyframe for the second 7. Let's play it here. So he slides slowly. Still playing. Now it stopped. Now let's rotate him a bit. Okay, face him and make him face here. And then I will click on this Grux transform keyframe here and update keyframe. Play again. You see that he will slowly turns facing here over time. Remember, when you shift click on a keyframe, he applies that keyframe with the position. Now, if I click here on Grux transform and shift click on transform, he will go with the position you have here recorded here on this keyframe. If you click shift click here, it will go here. Now, let's create another transform track for this door. This door has a grate here. See? Let's do this grate animates and open exactly when Grux passes. I also know that you are all asking yourselves why he is sliding, why he is not walking or running. You will have to wait for the play animation keyframe. That will be in the next tutorial. Wait for it. Now, let's animate this grate here. Create a track for the grate and call it grate. Now, I will play this again, and this time I will watch the seconds and notice on what seconds he will pass here. Let's look at it. It will be about 2 seconds, and it's 3 on 4 seconds. Okay. You may stop it anytime. So I need to have the grate open at second 2, and so it will be very fast. But let's do it. Let's put three transform keyframes. 1, 2 for second 0, and when it will be closed. 1 at second 2, where it will be open, and another at second 4, when it will be closed again. So I am in the grate track. So at second 0, okay, he will be at this position, and at second 2 he will be up, and then second 4 it will be down. But I have to add, of course, a property keyframe, because this is a property change. So I will add a property for the grate at second 0. Okay, and I will move the door here to the right, and we will add another property keyframe at second 2. Make sure it has the smooth button clicked, and I will add another property keyframe at second 4. Let's see how this plays. Oh, that was not nice. That was not nice. It's difficult to see exactly what happens when a cutscene starts playing. So you can use this to pause the cutscene exactly at this time. We will not freeze the game, pause it, because this have to do with animations. We are not using animations right now, so we will talk about this in the future. Now let's play it. So 2 seconds here. It's all right. It has to be okay. Oh, I have to pause again. Click on pause again, not play. The problem is that the gate is closing too soon. So let's see what happens at second 6. Play. Maybe. I think we need to change things here. We have to stay open for a few seconds. So we need another property keyframe to let the grate stay open. So let's say the grate is closed at second 0. It's open at second 2, remains open until second 4, and starts closing at second 4 until second 6. So the grate opens here. Oh, that's okay. I forgot to shift. So, well, it's not. It's closed at second 0. It's correct. It's correct. So it opens at second 2, but at second 4, it should not be closed. It should be open. And we have to, don't forget to update keyframe to tell the cutscene that you changed it. And this will be at second 4. And now we will add another property keyframe, this time with the gate closed at second 6. Okay, oh, in all this time our cutscene was paused. I forgot it. You have to stop cutscene and remove this, because if I let this here, it will pause at 6. Let's see. Okay, open, stay open, start closing. Okay, maybe he would start closing at earlier. Well, again, let's see what happens at second 4. Play. At second 5, perhaps. Okay, so now what I will do is I will get this property which closes the gate at second 6, shift click, and I will change this to second 5. Here, open, passes, closes. It closes faster because it was 1 second for closing. Now, it's a personal taste. I am not an artist. I am sure you will do better things than myself. That's it.